Hello everyone. Welcome to e-learning platform of agriculture and GK. My name is Jigyasha and today we will be discussing about food chemistry, which is a part of your syllabus for FSSAI exam and State Food Safety Officer exam. If you are preparing for FSSAI assistant or FSSAI Central Food Safety Officer or Technical Officer, you can enroll for these complete courses available at Agriculture and GK platform. So you will get 6 to 7 ebooks which will cover your full syllabus and YouTube class notes, one question bank, 10 full-length mock tests with all India ranking, CVT 1 and 2 full notes, discussion group and personal guidance. And price for these courses are mentioned here. For FSSAI assistant it is 1500 and for FSSAI Central Food Safety Officer or Technical Officer it is 1700. But you can get a discount of 25% by using this coupon code. So for enrolling into this course, you can find the link in description box or you can download the app and enroll for this course from there as well. Now moving to the video. Here is our first question for today. Which protein fraction of egg is having the antibiotic property? Lysozyme, ovomucoid, ovomucin, or avidin. So we know antibiotic properties are encompassed by lysozyme. So जो एग का लाइसोजाइम प्रोटीन फ्रैक्शन जो है मतलब लाइसोजाइम जो प्रोटीन है ये जो है एंटीबायोटिक प्रॉपर्टीज प्रोवाइड करता है इन एग. So our answer will be option A. Lysozyme protein fraction of egg is having the antibiotic properties. Now moving to the next question. If buffers are present, the rate of browning reaction decreases, increases, remains constant, cannot be predicted. So जब हमारे ब्राउनिंग रिएक्शन हम कर रहे होते हैं और उस वक्त बफर्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं तो वो रेट को किस तरह इफेक्ट करेंगे, इंक्रीज करेंगे, डिक्रीज करेंगे या फिर जो रिएक्शन रेट है वो कांस्टेंट रहेगा. सो जो हमारे बफर्स होते हैं वो रेट ऑफ ब्राउनिंग रिएक्शन को इंक्रीज करते हैं. So if buffers are present, the rate of browning reaction increases. So our answer will be option B. Now the next question is, as per EU's CN code, maltodextrin have DE value less than 5, less than 20, less than 50 or more than 50. तो जो हमारा माल्टोडेक्स्ट्रिन है इसके जो डेक्सट्रोज इक्विवेलेंट और डीई वैल्यू जो होती है वो होती है बिटवीन 3 एंड 20. सो जो हमारी डीई डेक्सट्रोज इक्विवेलेंट वैल्यू है उसका जो कंसेप्ट है वो ये है कि जितनी ज़्यादा डीई वैल्यू होगी उतनी ही जो ग्लूकोज चेन है वो शॉर्टर होगी और स्वीटनेस और सोल्यूबिलिटी उसमें हाई होगी और हीट रेसिस्टेंस कम होगी. सो द हायर द डीई वैल्यू, the shorter the glucose chain and the higher the sweetness and higher the solubility and lower heat resistance. So जो maltodextrin की DE value होती है that is between 3 to 20. So यहाँ पर हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा less than 20. Option B will be the right answer. Next question is, agar is polypeptide, polysaccharide, polyphenol, polyflavone. सो जो हमारा अगार जेल होता है वो क्या है? सो जो हमारा अगार जेल है इट इज पॉलीसेक्राइड. अगार इज पॉलीसेक्राइड. सो यहाँ हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी. Now moving to the next question. The temperature at which the solution remains in the equilibrium with crystalline solvent and the crystalline solute is transition temperature, crystalline temperature, eutectic temperature और melting temperature. So जब हमारा solution है वो equilibrium में होगा with crystalline solvent and solute, जिस टेम्परेचर पे वो होगा तो उस टेम्परेचर को हम क्या कहते हैं? So that is eutectic temperature. Eutectic temperature is the temperature at which the solution remains in the equilibrium with crystalline solvent and crystalline solute. So our answer will be option C, eutectic temperature. Now moving to the next question. A substance incorporated into a polymeric material to increase its deformality is called stabilizer, emulsifier, destabilizer, plastizer. So plasticizer is a substance that is incorporated into a polymeric material to increase its deformality or deformality. So our answer will be option D, plasticizer. Now the next question is, which of the following statements are correct? A true solvent is always a plasticizer. A plasticizer is always a true solvent. A plasticizer increases the gas transition temperature of a polymer, or all of the above. So हमें बताने कौन सी स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे करेक्ट है. सो सबसे पहले तो जो प्लास्टिसाइजर है इट डिक्रीजेस द ग्लास ट्रांजिशन टेम्परेचर ऑफ अ पॉलीमर. सो दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट concept. So a plasticizer will decrease the glass transition temperature of a polymer. So this is incorrect, and since we have found one incorrect sentence, the answer cannot be all of the above. Now between these two, so a true solvent is always a plasticizer is a correct statement. A plasticizer is always a true solvent. So see, जो ट्रू सॉल्वेंट होगा वो प्लास्टिसाइजर होगा, बट इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि एक प्लास्टिसाइजर हमेशा ट्रू सॉल्वेंट होगा. सो यहाँ पर जो हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा ऑप्शन ए. ए ट्रू सॉल्वेंट इज ऑलवेज अ प्लास्टिसाइजर, बट इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी अ प्लास्टिसाइजर विल ऑलवेज बी अ ट्रू सॉल्वेंट. So here our answer will be option A. Now moving to the next question. Subtle changes in the structure which do not drastically alter the molecular architecture of protein are usually regarded as conformational adaptability, denaturation, putrefaction, emulsification. So जो प्रोटीन के स्ट्रक्चर में जो चेंजेस होते हैं, जो उसके मोलिकुलर स्ट्रक्चर जो है उसको उसमें कुछ मेजर चेंज नहीं करते, बट स्ट्रक्चर में जो चेंजेस हैं वो हम उनको फिगर आउट कर सकते हैं कि प्रोटीन के स्ट्रक्चर में कुछ चेंजेस हैं, बट उसका जो मोलिकुलर मेकअप है और मोलिकुलर आर्किटेक्चर जो है प्रोटीन का उसमें कोई ज़्यादा मेजर चेंज नहीं है, तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? सो इट इज conformational adaptability. Subtle changes in the structure which do not drastically alter the molecular architecture of protein are usually regarded as conformational adaptability. That is our option A. So our answer will be option A, conformational adaptability. Now moving to the next question. Which of the following statements are correct? Partially denatured proteins are more digestible. Partially denatured proteins have better emulsifying property. Partially denatured proteins have better foaming properties, or all of the above. So which one of these statement is correct about partially denatured proteins? So यहाँ हम देखते हैं सारे statements को one by one. So partially denatured proteins are more digestible. That is true. Partially denatured proteins have better emulsifying property. That is also true. Partially denatured proteins have better forming properties. That is also true. So जो हमारे partially denatured proteins होते हैं, these are more digestible, they have better emulsifying property and forming properties. So यहाँ हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा all of the above. That is option D. So our answer will be option D. Now moving to the next question. What is the meaning of two-state transition of a globular proteins? So जो globular proteins होती हैं उसमें two-state transition term का क्या meaning होता है? Our options are globular proteins can exist only in the native and denatured states. Globular proteins at their isoelectric point transit from globular to fibrous form. Globular proteins can be present in two forms, solid and liquid at transition temperature, or none of the above. So that is form. So जो हमारी टू स्टेट ट्रांजिशन है उसका क्या मीनिंग होगा? So it means globular proteins can exist only in the native and the denatured states. So our answer will be option A. Now moving to the next question. Which of the following statements are correct? Proteins of the thermophilic organisms usually contains large amount of hydrophobic amino acid residues. Thermal denaturation of monomeric globular proteins is mostly reversible. Dry proteins powders are extremely stable to thermal denaturation, or all of the above. So कौन सी स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पर करेक्ट होगी? So the proteins of the thermophilic organisms usually contains large amount of hydrophobic amino acid residues. Thermal denaturation of monomeric globular proteins is mostly reversible. Dry protein powders are extremely stable to the thermal denaturation. So यहाँ पर हमारे तीनों स्टेटमेंट्स करेक्ट हैं, तो हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा all of the above. So the right answer will be option D. Now moving to the next question. The protein portion of the myoglobin is called heme, globin, flavone. Myoglobin does not contain any protein. सो जो मायोग्लोबिन का प्रोटीन पार्ट होता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? सो जो मायोग्लोबिन का प्रोटीन पोर्शन होता है उसे हम कहते हैं ग्लोबिन। सो यहाँ हमारा राइट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी। हीम के साथ कंफ्यूज नहीं होना। हीम इज नॉट द प्रोटीन पोर्शन ऑफ द मायोग्लोबिन। हीम से हीमोग्लोबिन से रिलेट करके यू कैन गेट कंफ्यूज है, बट रिमेंबर ग्लोबिन इज द प्रोटीन पार्ट portion of the myoglobin. So our answer will be option B. Now moving to the next question. How many myoglobin molecules are linked together in a hemoglobin molecule? 2, 3, 4, 5. So hemoglobin molecule में कितने myoglobin molecules जो है वो linked होते हैं? So hemoglobin के अंदर 4 myoglobin molecules होते हैं. So यहाँ हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन सी. Now moving to the next question. Increase in the number of OH group attached to the anthocyanin increases its reddish color, decreases its reddish color, increases its blue color, increases both reddish and blue color. सो एंथोसियानिन पे जो OH ग्रुप होता है अगर हम उसको ऐड कर और इंक्रीज कर दे उसके नंबर को तो क्या होगा? सो इफ वी add or increase the number of OH group on anthocyanin, the blue color will increase. So in anthocyanin का जो blue color होता है it will be more intense due to added OH groups. So यहाँ हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन सी. Now moving to the next question. Anthocyanins are stable at neutral pH, acidic pH, basic pH or independent of pH. So जो anthocyanins होते हैं हमारे ये stable होते हैं at acidic pH. So our right answer will be option B. Now the next question is, in Jobson isotherm, the boundary of zones 1 and 2 corresponds to BET monolayer, PET monolayer, CET monolayer, MET monolayer. So जो हमारा Jobson isotherm होता है that is between moisture content और water activity. So उसमें जो हमारी बाउंड्रीज हैं जोन 1 एंड जोन 2 की वो किसको करस्पॉन्ड करती हैं? So that corresponds to BT monolayer. So our answer will be option A. Now moving next. Which of the following are the mode of non-enzymic browning in food? Caramelization, Maillard reaction, ascorbic acid oxidation or all of the above? So फूड में जो नॉन एंजाइमिक ब्राउनिंग होती है उसका मोड जो है वो कौन कौन सी रिएक्शन हो सकती है? सो यहाँ पे हमें पता है कैरेमलाइजेशन में भी नॉन एंजाइमेटिक ब्राउनिंग होती है, मिलार्ड रिएक्शन में भी, एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड ऑक्सीडेशन से भी. सो यहाँ पर जो हमारा आंसर होगा वो हो जाएगा ऑल ऑफ द अबव. सो राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन डी. नाउ मूविंग नेक्स्ट. Which of the following are the functions of anthocyanins? So जो हमारे एंथोसियानिन पिगमेंट्स हैं उनका फंक्शन क्या है? एंटीऑक्सीडेंट, कलरेंट, anti-cancer, or all of the above. सो जो हमारे एंथोसियानिन का फंक्शन है वो इट वर्क्स एज एन एंटीऑक्सीडेंट, आल्सो वर्क्स एज अ कलरेंट. अभी हमने देखा कि इट गिव्स ब्लू कलर. सो एंड इट आल्सो हैज एंटी कैंसर प्रॉपर्टीज. सो आवर आंसर विल बी all of the above, that is option D. So right answer will be option D. Now moving to the next question, which of the following statements is are correct with respect to the pigments? Flavonoids are water soluble pigment. Basic structure of carotenoids is isoprene. Blair process is also to retain green color of the chlorophyll during processing, or all of the above. सो पिगमेंट्स के लिए कौन से स्टेटमेंट जो है वो यहाँ पर करेक्ट हो गए? तो जो फ्लेवोनॉइड्स होते हैं दीज आर वाटर सोल्यूबल पिगमेंट. इट इज अ ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. और जो बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर होती है कैरोटेनॉइड्स की वो आइसोप्रीन होती है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. जो हमारी ब्लेयर प्रोसेस होती है इज ऑल्सो टू रिटेन ग्रीन कलर ऑफ द क्लोरोफिल. सो ये भी हमारी करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट हो जाएगी. तो यहाँ हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा ऑल ऑफ द अबव. All these three statements are correct with respect to pigments. So our answer will be option D. Now the next question is, colorant used in butter is annatto, erythrocyan, congo red और none of the above. So जो हमारा बटर है उसमें जो कलरेंट है वो कौन सा यूज होता है? So बटर का जो कलर होता है that is usually yellow. So which colorant is used in butter? So it is annatto, that is option A. So our answer will be option A. Now the next question is, the chemically annatto is. So जो हमारा कलरेंट annatto है केमिकली ये क्या है? कैरोटीनॉइड है, फ्लेवोनॉइड है, हीम पिगमेंट है, या फिर नन ऑफ द अबव? So the chemically annatto is carotenoids. जो हमारा करंट annatto है it is a carotenoids. So our answer will be option A. Now moving to the next question, Bixin is used as colorant in chocolate, cola beverages, butter और all of the above. So जो Bixin है उसको हम as a colorant कहाँ यूज करते हैं? So Bixin is used as a colorant in butter. So जो हमारा Bixin और annatto है दोनों ही as a colorant यूज होते हैं in butter. तो जो हमारा राइट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन सी. Now moving to the next question, which of the following statements is are correct? Anthocyanin contains sugar molecule. Anthocyanin contains sugar molecule. Glycosylation of anthocyanin increases the wavelength of the absorption spectra, or all of the above. So since statement A and B are contradictory, the answer cannot be all of the above. और जो ग्लाइकोसाइलेशन है ऑफ एंथोसियानिन का इट डिक्रीजेस द वेवलेंथ ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन स्पेक्ट्रा और इंक्रीजेस द वेवलेंथ ऑफ डिसॉर्प्शन स्पेक्ट्रा. सो आवर आंसर कांट बी ऑप्शन सी. So now option A and B. So option A will be the right answer. Anthocyanin contains sugar molecule, not anthocyanidine. So option B will be the incorrect and our answer will be option A. Anthocyanin contains sugar molecule. Now moving next. A fruit discoloration problem referred to as pinking is the result of microbial spoilage of the product, formation of metal anthocyanin complex, biochemical changes in the fruits, or none of the above. सो जो फ्रूट डिस्कलरेशन जिसको हम बोलते हैं पिंकिंग, वो किसकी वजह से होती है? So the fruit discoloration problem, usually referred to as pinking, is the result of formation of metal anthocyanin complex. That is option B. Formation of metal anthocyanin complex leads to pinking or fruit discoloration problem in fruits. So our answer will be option B. If you are preparing for Tamil Nadu MRB Food Safety Officer exam, you can enroll for this complete course where you will get full study material which will have 6 ebooks, 1 question bank, test series that is based on the exam pattern, and it will also have all Tamil Nadu rankings. And also you will be provided with YouTube class notes, previous year papers, and all this quality content only at 999. So you can find the link in the description box. You can enroll from there, and you can also download the app and enroll from there as well. Now the next question is Amadri rearrangement is found during protein biosynthesis, fat oxidation, Maillard reaction, Krebs cycle. So Amadri rearrangement is found during Maillard reaction. So our answer will be option C. So the next question is pinking can be avoided by blanching, AR enamel, treatment of fruits with vinegar और Blair's process. So अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था कि पिंकिंग जो फ्रूट्स में डिस्कलरेशन हो जाते हैं ड्यू टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एंथोसियानिन कॉम्प्लेक्स, सो उसको हम कैसे अवॉइड कर सकते हैं? So pinking can be avoided by AR enamel. So our answer will be option B. Now moving to the next question. The compound formed at elevated pH by the reaction between ammonia and magnesium in case of P is struvite, magnetite, apatite, or none of these. So the compound that is formed at elevated pH due to reaction between ammonia and magnesium is struvite. So our answer will be option A. Now the next question is thermal degradation of glutamine leads to the formation of pyrrolidone citric acid, pyrrolidone carboxylic acid, pyrrolidone acetic acid, or none of these. So the thermal degradation of glutamine leads to the formation of pyrrolidone carboxylic acid. So यहाँ पर जो हमारा आंसर है वो हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी. Now moving to the next question. Increase in acidity of vegetables during the thermal processing is due to formation of pyrrolidone carboxylic acid, degradation of chlorophyll, decrease in natural butter, और all of the above. So जो वेजिटेबल्स के अंदर हमारी एसिडिटी इंक्रीज हो जाती है ड्यूरिंग थर्मल प्रोसेसिंग, वो किसकी वजह से होती है? सो वो होती है ड्यू टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ पायरोलिडोन कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. So our answer will be option A. Now moving to the next question. Which of the following relationship regarding the rate of thermal destruction is correct? Chlorophyll A followed by chlorophyll B followed by Clostridium botulinum. Chlorophyll B followed by chlorophyll A followed by Clostridium botulinum. Clostridium botulinum followed by chlorophyll B followed by chlorophyll A, or none of the above. सो थर्मल डिस्ट्रक्शन के लिए जो हमारा सही ऑप्शन होगा वो होगा ऑप्शन बी, क्लोरोफिल बी फॉलोड बाय क्लोरोफिल ए फॉलोड बाय क्लोस्ट्रीडियम बोटुलिनम. सो दैट इज द करेक्ट ऑर्डर. सो आवर आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन बी. Now moving to the next question. Compound formed by the action of chlorophylase on chlorophyll is Pheophytin, Pheophorbyte, chlorophyllide, mesochlorophyll. तो जो क्लोरोफाइलेज है वो कौन सा कंपाउंड बनाती है? So the compound formed by the action of chlorophyllase on chlorophyll is chlorophyllide. So our answer will be option C. Now moving to the next question. Which of the following statements is correct? Mesochlorophyll and chlorophyll differ only in terms of CH3 group. Mesochlorophyll and chlorophyll differ in terms of CHO group. Mesochlorophyll and chlorophyll differ in terms of Mg ion or magnesium ion, or none of the above. So which of these statement is correct? So यहाँ पे जो हमारा सही आंसर होगा वो होगा ऑप्शन ए. Mesochlorophyll and chlorophyll differ only in terms of methyl group or CH3 group. So option A will be the right answer. Now moving to the next question. After the removal of magnesium ion from chlorophyll, the compound formed is Pheophytin, Pheophorbyte, chlorophyllide, mesochlorophyll. सो जो क्लोरोफिल से हम मैग्नीशियम आयन रिमूव कर देंगे तो उसके बाद जो कंपाउंड बनेगा वो कौन सा होगा? तो वो होगा Pheophytin. If we remove magnesium ion from chlorophyll, then the compound formed is Pheophytin. So our answer will be option A. Now moving to the next question. If both magnesium ion and phyton chain are removed from chlorophyll, the compound formed is Pheophytin, Pheophorbyte, chlorophyllide, pyrophorbyte. So when we will remove magnesium ion as well as phyton chain from chlorophyll, so the compound formed is Pheophorbyte. So our answer will be option B. Now moving to the next question. Chlorophyllide differs from chlorophyll on the basis that former lack magnesium ion, phytochain, both A and B, or none of the above. सो क्लोरोफाइड और क्लोरोफिल का हमें जो डिफरेंस बताना है वो बताना है कि क्लोरोफाइड क्या लैक करता है विच मेक्स इट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम क्लोरोफिल। सो वो है फाइटोल चेन। क्लोरोफाइड chlorophyllide differs from chlorophyll on the basis that chlorophyllide lacks phytol chain. So our answer will be option B. Now moving to the next question. At low pH, chlorophyll degrades to pheophytin, carboxylic acid, pyropheophytin, mesochlorophyll. So low pH पे chlorophyll जो है वो it will degrade to, so it will degrade to pheophytin at low pH. So our answer will be option A. Now the next question is, color of the compound formed after the removal of magnesium ion from chlorophyll is green, olive green, brown, black. So the color of the compound formed after the removal of magnesium ion from chlorophyll is olive green. So that is our option B. So right answer will be option B, olive green. Skiff base in the intermediate formed during caramelization, ascorbic acid oxidation, enzymic browning or Maillard reaction. So the skiff base in the intermediate formed during Maillard reaction. So our answer will be option D. Now moving to the next question. Commercially available copper complex of pheophorbide used as food colorant is copper chlorophyll, copper chlorophyllide, copper chlorophyllene or none of the above. So the answer will be copper chlorophyllene. So our answer will be option C. Now the next question is, regreening of thermal processed vegetables is formation of the bright green color in presence of zinc and copper, loss of green color, gaining green color after its loss, or none of the above. So our answer will be option A, formation of the bright green color in presence of zinc and COIL. So option A will be the right answer. Now the next question is, the metal ion used in very green process is that should be veggie green. So which metal ion is used in veggie green process? So it should be zinc. So our answer will be option C. Now moving to the next question. Green color in vegetables processed in the presence of zinc is largely due to presence of zinc chlorophyllene, zinc chlorophyllide, zinc pheophorbide zinc pyrophyophytin. So the green color in vegetables processed in the presence of zinc is largely due to presence of zinc pyrophyophytin. That is zinc pyrophytin, option D. So our right answer will be option D. Now moving to the next question. Which of the following carotenoids show provitamin A activity? P-carotene, A-carotene, P-cryptoxanthin, or all of the above? So our answer will be option A, P-carotene. It shows provitamin A activity. Now the next question is, who explained the structure of protein? Emil Fisher, Pauling and Corey, R.F. Rose, Johnson and Christie. So that is a very simple question. Pauling and Corey explained the structure of protein. So our answer will be option B. Now the next question is, primary structure of proteins is R, open chain, cyclic, branch chain, or all of the above? So the primary structure of protein is open, cyclic, and branch. So it can be open chain, it can as well be cyclic chain, or it can be branch chain as well. So our answer will be all of the above. So that was all for today. Now you can practice all these questions and check your answers with the help of this answer key. Now here are the details about all the courses and test series available at Agriculture and GK. So the exams are IBPS AFO, UK SSSC AAO, HPPSC EDO, NABARD exam, JKSSB Horticulture Technician, OPSC AAO, OPSC AHO, OPSC Assistant Agriculture Engineer, UPPSC Assistant Engineer Agriculture, ICR JRF, ASRB NET, ICR NET, Fisheries exams, Forestry exams, FSSAI exam, Tripura FSO, TN MRB FSO, TNPSC AO, AAO, DSSSB SO Horticulture, FCI AGM, Cotton Corporation of India exam. So you can find all these courses on the Agriculture and GK app, and you can also visit the website agriculturegk.in for the details of these courses and test series. And for the free resources, you can subscribe to YouTube channel. You can join the Telegram group and follow us on Instagram. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching this video.